Welcome back, and I found those hands of part of Miss Sal. She visited me that day before she went missing. She had something to talk about, but I was so busy I didn't have the time to listen to her. I know she was pained. I can't help but feel if I had heard her out, she never would have left us. Alkabok. I'm not fit to save her. You are the only one who can. Okay, good. I don't want to talk to her anymore. Did those look like hands for you?
Those look like wings.
Yeah. How many hands and wings do we have now? Let's go to the path. We need two more. We need two more parts, and then the game's over.
Oh, game's over?
Yeah, we have to kill somebody, and then
Let's take the shit out of him.
and yeah, then we get the end. But there are two endings, and after the good ending, you get a new game. But tell us more about the story. Because I watched PewDiePie's last Missile video, but not the whole game. Not the whole game. I don't know about the whole. Let's just. Rodilia, I am another you. We have never met, but I've been watching over you. That's kinda creepy, you know, man. You know, that is kinda creepy.
Italian accento.
Accento, tu posso pancia, rotta soia.
Oh, sì. Spagnolo.
Spin, rotta shot. We have to find Tohma now. Where could Tohma be? Leave in the comments where could Tohma be. Or maybe I will find Tohma before. Please let me find Tohma without you guys' help. Without your help. Because usually I need help for everything because it's Tohma. Oh. Let's just look into here. Nothing.
No.
Maybe Tohma's in one of those. I'm an idiot if I didn't see that. Hey, Kenmark, you're so fine, you're so fine, you're so fine. Hey, Kenmark. Hey, Kenmark, you're so fine, you're so fine, you're so fine. Hey, Kenmark. Nope. I will save before I open a freaking locker. Yes? Yeah, I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. Yeah, I don't really want to hear that. Okay, that's it. I don't care. Let her die. It's none of my business. It's none of my business, you know. No, please go down the stairs, Wonder if I can do something outside. I can't do shit here. How do I open the goddamn chest? Oh yeah, I know, but I need some money for that. How do I? I don't know. I don't know. I have to find Tohma. I hope he's there. Why can't you guys make me find Tohma? Oh god, I've been everywhere and Tohma is still unfound.
Maybe Tohman is dead.
No, then we must see it. We've seen every death, right? I know about the emergency key already. I've been there. Where could I find somebody? What? Just look at the picture, then look at the goddamn picture. Oh my god. Oh my god. I will never find Tohma this way. I want to buy juice, but I can't even get money. Let's just place everything down here. I'm still here, let's just do it.
Oh yeah, let's put the missiles wings over there.
Oh, the dice go there and the wings go here. Let's go to the girls' bathroom. Yes. I left all the time. Just break down the goddamn doors. What's wrong with you? Do you need Tohma for this? Are you scared, you little pity patty poochie? Are you so scared? Why are you so scared, Mom? Boom! Dude, where do I go? Is it my fuck lunch? Thank you. Thank you. What the hell is going on out here? This is a freaking crazy house. I'm out of here. Well, I'm out of here. Can I get in here? Why do you knock? What's wrong with you? Why do you even knock? Oh, yeah!
Oh, cool.
Okay. Just give me the missile's legs. That was an easy way to missile's legs. Oh yeah, oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, it's time to end this episode here, and tomorrow I will make a new episode because I'm tired of playing this game already. Save. Bye.